Hi, this is CosmosVagabond. This is video 5 in my Elite Dangerous tutorial series. To see the whole video collection, go to my website, Elite Dangerous. That's www.elitedangero.us. Continuing on from video 2, we are doing the first in-game mission, which is called Welcome to the Galaxy. The first thing I want you to see is that there's no longer a compass here. That's because our previous target was the Dromi star, which is where we now are. When you don't have a target, the compass disappears. Next, I'll target the space station that is the mission target. Press 1. I'm going to set the location list filter first. Use Q or E to select the navigation tab. If this cross is here, use arrow keys to highlight it, then press spacebar. This icon here will be highlighted. Press spacebar again. Use down arrow to highlight stations and press spacebar. Press backspace once. Press right arrow and then up down arrow keys to highlight Mawson dock, then spacebar. Press right arrow so that Super Cruise Assist is highlighted and press spacebar. If you're finding that, for example, Super Cruise Assist isn't working, have a look at Appendix 7 on my website. That's where I put miscellaneous tips that I would have found useful when I was starting out. The website is Elite Dangerous. That's www.elitedangero.us. Press backspace until you're back in the cockpit. You'll now see that this compass has appeared again. We're going to use A, D, number pad 2 and number pad 5 to turn towards our target. But be careful that when you are aiming towards the target, you aren't aiming towards the star. If your target is close to the star, I suggest you pause this video and watch my video number 3 and then return to this video. Now fly around the star if necessary, and then when you're in a safe position, point your ship at Mawson dock, and Super Cruise Assist will take over and fly you to the space station. I need to get within 7.5 kilometres of the station to be able to request docking, so hold down W to throttle up. You can see here that we are now within 7.5 kilometres. So press X to stop, and to request docking, press 1, then E until contacts is highlighted. If Mawson dock isn't highlighted, press the down arrow until it is. Then press right arrow to highlight request docking. Press spacebar, then backspace until you're back in the cockpit. Wait until docking is complete. We now want to go to the mission board and complete this mission. As Starport Services is highlighted, press the spacebar. Use the mouse to click on mission board, and then mission board again. Click on completed missions. Click on the blue bar with Welcome to the Galaxy, and click on this large yellow box to choose your reward. Most missions give you a choice of 3 rewards. Now press backspace until I'm back in the cockpit. While you're flying the Sidewinder ship, it's always a good idea to refuel at every opportunity. Use up arrow to highlight this fuel symbol and press spacebar to refuel. Now please continue with video number 6.